One of the things that I love about art is the way that it helps us imagine. The other thing that's really amazing is the way that it helps us engage with our senses. So through drawing and painting and working with materials, we have a different kind of contact with ourselves and with the world that surrounds us. So this question of kind of getting awakening to our present through materials is something especially beautiful that the art making process offers us. The thing that I think art is for me, it's giving me the chance to open up to my feelings. And I think that that's really important, especially now, because there's so many things that are happening in terms of politics, in terms of the pandemic, in terms of social justice. And I think art gives us a chance to be able to be with the things that are occurring in our world and to actually think about them in different kinds of ways, to think about them through materials. And there's something really particular that happens through the process of translation. I think that that's the possibility that art offers us, is the possibility for seeing things differently, for understanding things through our senses and through engaging with the world through our feeling and our intuition and our intellect. So it's this kind of beautiful chance to use our full selves and bring our full selves to who we are and to what we make and to how we can respond to the situations that we encounter. And I think that's especially important right now, the way that art can allow us a chance to sit with things, to feel them, to think about them, and also to make a response. So there's this element of engagement, and I would even say I think it's sort of like the root of what civic engagement is, this willingness to be able to respond. And I think about that in terms of the word responsibility, that response, the possibility for response, that we can all do it in our own way. And it might really be something as simple as mixing a color in response to a tree that we see or a leaf, or it could be working collaboratively together to create a mural in our school, or it could be something as lovely as drawing the face of someone you love.